My video is about removing the browser hijacker that is called allresultsweb.de. This is a browser hijacker that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This hijacker actually changes a lot of crucial browser settings, and when you submit some search queries, you may eventually get the results by some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. So this browser hijacker tries to make the decisions instead of you. So be very careful, don't tolerate it. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer. Very often such browser hijackers may be integrated with some free applications. You should be careful to get rid of any unwanted software. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.